It's 6:22 now on our Thursday, and changes to student loans are on the horizon, including the return of interest. The Department of Education expected to start reaching out to people soon, informing them of these big changes. And we're going to go live to Scripps News Group national correspondent Joe St. George. And Joe, why have interest on student loans been put on hold in the first place? And are other policy changes coming?
Yeah, to answer your second question first, changes are coming. And if you have a federal student loan, if you have a loved one who has a federal student loan, you're just going to want to know that fact. Everybody's going to be a little bit different depending on the plan that they've been enrolled in, as well as what they've been doing with their federal student loan. Really, in some cases, this goes all the way back to the height of COVID and the pandemic. Let's start with the big change that's going to be happening soon. It's for individuals enrolled in the SAVE repayment plan. This was the signature repayment option of the Biden administration. It resulted in lower monthly payments for many Americans. Since last summer, essentially, it hasn't been accruing interest. These loans haven't been accruing interest, and that's because there have been legal challenges to the program by conservatives across the country. As it was making its way through the courts, no interest was being charged. That's coming to an end on August 1st. The Department of Education saying it's time. And this Department of Education has been critical of President Biden's SAVE plan from the beginning. This is one of many changes, again, we're expecting in the coming months and years. The Department of Education, as we have been reporting, has been taking a look at public service loan forgiveness. Should some nonprofits that currently qualify for forgiveness be altered or changed in any way? That's a conversation unfolding in Washington. Another change is going after individuals who've defaulted on their loans, who haven't made a payment in years. Now to that one big beautiful bill. We've talked about it a lot, haven't we, over the last month? The tax changes, everything in it. Well, also in it is student loan changes. There's going to be fewer repayment plan options in future years as a direct result of this legislation. Some experts say it may result in higher monthly payments in the years to come. This change isn't going to take effect for some time, in some cases several years, but it's important to keep it in the back of your mind. And this one is for parents, maybe of a high school student or a college student. There are going to be caps on federal student loans and how much can be taken out going forward. And the medical communities, particularly medical schools, are frustrated with that. They're concerned people won't have access to loans to get through medical schools if they want to be a physician. So a change is coming, and it's starting with interest.